Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers. Welcome to my fans at TV. Record Tambo. Welcome my national team. I'm joined by the best mascot.
Haha, it's the green champion, Puti Green. I'm with Sibo bafowethu. Wona Sibo sikhona la. Ama fans wethu.
Uyile Mexico.
Ngiyile Mexico.
Yeah.
Ah, ngiyanga Mexico my brother. Bengikhona la nginibukele khona TV. Ngibukela ama fans wethu. Wena uyile Sibo ngisho. Ngasilo ngikubonile Brian. Sirepresenta kamnandi Brian. Kamnandi kabuhlungu Sibo.
Player tournament ubani boqala ngaye kakhulu sibani.
Iplayoff yazi njengoba ingakapheli so.
Yeah.
Mara
Yabafana.
Yabafana. Oh yabafana.
Angizange ngisayibheka nokuyibheka le.
Yabafana. Ah yazi na Chami ngihamba nombekezeli imbokazi awucham. Ngibane TLP.
Angase kaphuzani ngana. Something. I met amanana something.
Bokazi unontelezi ntate. Yebo uthile.
Yakimonna wawutiya.
Utile Mbokazi unontelezi. Anohanza batla ka still water. Mbokazi yena otla ka ntelezi.
Shola utswaka papa le rooibos.
O motsewa stiwa.
Rodman peka. Nkai I1 I2 for amajita uyangithola. Uyangithola words of motivation or the message to ibafana.
Yazi i-message engayisho for abafana ukuthi whatever they did to Wama World Cup, they must carry on, they must grow from now. From now Sibo we are going up my brother. We're not going down, we are going up. Sesitop. Sesimnandi. Si-international. Kabuhlungu kabi Sibo. Thank you Sibo. Thank you Brian.
Yes.